Anthony David is the name, aka Chidav, and in this video, guess what? I'm going to be introducing my client, the owner of this very project, and then he's a very young guy, and he's going to introduce himself to us, and then he's going to tell us the inspiration behind the whole sacking. Yeah, what inspired him to reach out. And he's a young guy. I tell you, ordinarily River State, they are so into crude oil and all that. So he's going to be telling us a whole lot about the enthusiasm he has for agriculture and all of that. So you are going to be seeing him in a jiffy. He's right here behind me. You see, he's a very young and good looking dude. Definitely going to hear from him right about now. So let's go meet him, guys.
Hello guys, my name is Bitroko Zena Salabo. I'm from River State, Kalabari precisely. There is a Balama community in Kalabari, Asalga. What inspired me into this farming, if you look at this my place here, we are riverline, we don't have much land, and based on that I have this desire to farm, but there's not much land. And how this modern way of farming, you don't need to acquire much land for you to start farming. So I have this idea through this my friend Chidav, how you can plant yam in sacks. Now you can see this is not even up to a plot of land, and we have already planted over 500 sacks. You can imagine if you plant a 500 in a plot of land, it won't even get up to it. You just get up to like 20 yams, but in a plot, you can imagine it's something that is not even up to a plot. You are having more than 500. Can you just imagine if you have a plot, you are having more than 1,000 or 2,000 plus. So you can just imagine this. You don't need a land for you to start farming. You understand? You can just, even in your backyard, you can just do this. And imagine how much I can have. I have over 3,000 sacks. You can see all over there, over 3,000 sacks, which is filled with yam seedlings. And imagine how much you can have, and the cost of yam in this present generation, in this present economy is Nigeria. A very small yam is sold 1,000 naira. You can imagine. But now we are having big tubers. After when we started harvesting, you see more than big tubers. We are going to have, let's assume we are selling each tubers 1,000 or 1,500 times 3,000. Imagine just 6 to 7 months what you are harvesting. So my brothers and sisters, viewers, if you want to go into agriculture, forget that. Even if you don't have a land in your backyard, back of your kitchen, you can start a little sack and exercise this. At least these days in Nigeria, after graduation, there is no work. You can start doing this and it will help you. Talk about the importance of sack farming over land farming. In sack farming, there is space management. Like I said, a plot of land, you can plant over 2,000 seedlings. But if in a land, a plot of land, highest you can plant is around 60 to 70 yams. Now, that is one of the importance of sack farming. Another thing about sack farming, like now, for example, this sack now, if there is anything that is infected, you just only for this sack. It doesn't spread all over. And this sack does not compete with nutrients. It's just on its own and is living independently, largely. Another thing again is harvest. When it's harvesting time, you don't need to think of how to drill the ground to harvest, to imagine such amount of energy being wasted. You just you just do, you can just carry the sack, turn over, or you just tear it back, and you can just bring out your yam tubers. Another important thing is that it's weeding. You don't go far as distance to look for a way to weed, call for labels and other things, or to waste your energy. Or what you just do, if there is any weed coming out, just this hand picking. So you can see there's a lot of things into sack farming, lot of importance over land farming. And another thing, the most important thing that everybody needs at the end product is what can it gives. And imagine a sack like this. The yam can even lend itself to the dam. Imagine how large it is, and nothing is competitive with him. It's feeding well, it's feeding largely, and at the end of the day, you get a very heavy tuber. So these are the important things about sack farming. Thank you. viewers.
I told you it was passionate. I told you it was so inspiring. Oh boy, you see. So guys, if you're wasting your time thinking there's nothing to gain out of agriculture, you are missing a whole lot, guys. So get everything together and then try to establish something. You will be glad you did it at the end of the day. I tell you this, you are going to be super glad you did it at the end of the day. Another amazing thing about this farm is if you look down, you would discover this is an amazing irrigation system on this field, and that is why we say let the young go into agriculture, because the young are quite innovative. If you pay attention, I'm going to give you a closer view of this irrigation system. It's so super cool. You know, the implication of this is he's going to be cultivating yam all year round, so he's not going to be deterred by the season. It has no business with the season. It has no business with rain, because there's always irrigation. So once he's harvesting this and then a new set is coming in, so that is another advantage of having very young and vibrant people go into agriculture. And that is why we always preach and say let the young go into agriculture. I'm going to be showing you this because with this irrigation system right here that you are seeing, water is sufficient. Guys, we ain't done yet because we are still definitely going to be introducing a couple of drip line. Yeah, we're going to be introducing a couple of drip line, or we are going to be using sprinkler. But any which way, this is amazing. Even we might also choose to use hose, but any which way we want to do it, we're going to get a very good result. But the best will be to use drip line so that we don't have any wastage. Let us have the young go into agriculture, and definitely they are going to do it very well. So they are techy, they are innovative. You can't beat that. So look at the concept we got here. You could actually do this on your farm. Okay, do this on your farm. So River State has been an amazing time. It was an amazing time, and then we met with the CEO of this very farm. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the farm so you get to see the farm. It's actually an integrated farm. You have the poultry, and then you also have the crop section, and then he wants to go into yam because you know yam is so lucrative here in River State because of the fact that you have more water than land here. So it's a whole lot of innovation, and I'm so super excited to come across such a wonderful and passionate person. You saw how he spoke and how enthusiastic he is about agriculture. We are the nation feeder, and we definitely need to be proud of what we do. And I tell you, definitely Chidab Agricultural Hub is always here to help you out and to get established the right way. Okay. Right, so always reach out if you want to set up, and then we are definitely going to bring our expertise and help you get established the right way. All right guys, so we got to draw the curtain right now, but I need you to smash on the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do what to turn on the notification bell, and also do what to like this video, because this video definitely needs to get to every other person who is aspiring and who needs a bit of motivation to go into agriculture. So like this video, share this video so that a couple of persons can always get this content and then pick a couple of inspiration from it. So right now guys, do what to punch on other videos from Chidab Agricultural Hub. Bye for now guys, peace.